I'll be showing you guys how to fix your phone. So what you'll be needing is your phone. Take off the battery. Here I have the battery, and take off the cover. So, and you'll also be needing some rice. I'm using a lot of rice, but yeah, it's okay. So first you'll be needing to put your phone into the rice. This part is a little wet, so you'll be needing, and it's not on. I tried it the other time. I was trying to, like, it was on, and after that it rained, and then just wetted it. It just fell into the rain. I don't know, like, it was like, oh yeah. I forgot to bring it outside. Like, maybe it was someone's phone. I don't know who owns the phone. It was like right next to my room outside at the window. And I was looking, I was like, who's that phone? And then it was raining. I was like, oh my gosh. And then I went back and I get it. It was so wet. So yeah, so first you need to get out that and just put it into your rice like that. Just like that. Cover it, cover the screen. Also use the battery to cover the battery and all of that. Just wait, and then there you go. So you gotta be waiting, let it set, because it's gonna absorb the water. Okay guys, after absorbing the water, you'll be needing to wait a little long, but I didn't want to wait too long, so yeah. Okay guys, I already put on the batteries. Let's see if it's gonna work. Wait, I need to plug the battery straight. Am I doing it straight? I'm gonna put the cover first. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Finally, I did not know that could work, but then I tried it out and it actually worked. You guys gotta wait. If you guys really want this, to make it faster, if you guys are so impatient, then make sure you have a lot of rice to absorb all the water. So if you have a phone this like very big, but then you want to fix it, then have a lot, like a bunch, like a lot of rice. Not too much, just normal. Like one phone at zero, one phone right, and then two sides of it, and then just pour a lot of rice and put it inside, and yeah, that's how it's gonna work. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. See you guys later.